Hey, what's up guys? In this tutorial, we'll learn about inner classes in Java. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe so you don't miss any latest video update. And now let's jump to the agenda for the video. So here we have the agenda for the video guys. First of all, we will see that what is inner classes. After that, we'll see a few advantages of inner classes. Following that, we'll see the type of nested classes and we'll wrap up this video by discussing a programming example. Now, what is inner class? So guys, Java inner class is also called a nested class. It is a class which is declared inside the class or interface. If you see this simple syntax, so we can see this class inner exists inside the class outer. The purpose of the nested class or the inner class is to group classes that belongs together, which makes your code more readable and maintainable. Now here we have few advantages of inner class, but before that one thing you need to know that inner class is just a part of a nested class and non-static nested class is also known as inner class. Inner class has three basic advantages and the number one is nested class represent a special type of relationship, that is it can be access all the member whether it is data member or methods of outer class including private. Second one is nested class are used to develop more readable and maintainable code because it is logically grouped classes and interface in one place only. And the third and last is code optimization. It requires less code to write. Now let's talk about the type of nested classes and it has two types. The number one is inner classes which you already discussed and the other one is static nested classes. The inner class can be also divided into three groups. The number one is member inner class, the other is local inner class and we have anonymous inner class. Now let's go ahead and see a programming example of inner class. So here we have the programming example of inner class. But before going ahead, one thing you need to know guys that to access any inner class, first we have to create the object of outer class and then we can create the object of inner class. So we all know that how to make class. Here I have two classes. The first class name is outer class and it has int x equals to 10. The second class name is inner class because this class exists inside this outer class and this class has int y equals to 5. Now when we talk about the objects, so we have to create the objects for our outer and inner class. So we know that how to create the object of outer class, just say the name of the class, the write any name of your object equals to new keyword and the name of your class. But when we talk about or when we talk how to create the object of inner class, then we have to write the name of our outer class using dot operator. We have to write the name of our inner class. Then we have to give a name to the object which gonna be for our inner class equals to the name we give to our outer class dot new and then again the name of your inner class. And this is how you can just create the object of your inner class. And now we can call the value just by writing the name of the object of the particular classes using dot operator and what you want to access. So here we said the my inner dot y, so that means we are taking this one and we are saying plus and then we are saying my outer dot x, which means we're taking this one and we are saying this plus this. Let's run the program to see what output do we get. So here we have the output guys, that is 15 because we said y plus x. So this is you create the inner class, this is you create a class inside a class, and this is how you create the object of the inner class. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you understand the concept of inner class. We'll make the another video which gonna be the part 2 for this Java inner classes. We will discuss the three different type of inner classes. Thank you for watching the video guys. I hope it was helpful and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss the second part of the inner classes.